In this video, we are going to learn how to easily install Tuffix in our Windows-based environment. First, we are going to go to our internet browser, and in my case is going to be Firefox. And I want you to navigate to the Titan community, and this one's going to be under Tuffix Students. Then you're going to want to go to the one that says Tuffix VM.ova files, and I want you to click the first link that you see. This link will redirect us to a Google Drive page, and you are going to press download and then click download anyway. And we want to save the file to our computer. Now this will take quite a while, and I will get back to you when it is done downloading. Once it is done downloading, proceed to go to Oracle VM and then click on File, Import Appliance. It's going to say Appliance to import, and we're going to go to where we downloaded our file. Click Open. Now it's going to give us the path to where it is, and we're just going to press Next. And then here you can change your settings, but for us, we're just going to leave it where it is. And by clicking Import, we'll import the virtual disk to our computer. And it's going to take quite a while, so just sit back, relax, and I'll get back to you when you're done. Once it is finished importing, you'll see something that looks like this. You can right-click, say Start, and Normal Start. And a window like this will appear, and you should be good to go. This concludes how to easily install Tuffix in Windows.